Hello YouTube. I want to do a little tackle center here. We've been doing a lot of offshore bottom fishing and slow pitch jig fishing, and I kind of wanted to show everybody the setup. Now this is my slow pitch setup here. I have a Savage jig in this color. I don't know if you see the color real good here. Let me get in the sunlight. 2 hooks, assist hooks. I rigged this. This jig comes with 2 hooks on the top. I changed it to put a ball bearing swivel up here at the top. Tie your line right directly onto the swivel. And that's how I set this up. If you see on the previous video, you'll see that big cobia I caught. And I caught that on this rod here. Now the rod here is a goofish rod. I ordered this on Amazon. In the video below you'll see a link for it. And then also the reel is a Torum 14 reel, Shimano. You'll see a link for it in the video too. Tied a uni knot right to the jig. Braid right to the jig. You'll see at the beginning of the video where we were catching the cobia, you'll see where I lost a good fish. I had 30-pound fluorocarbon seagar tied onto that at the beginning of the video, and it broke me off. So I just went right straight, braid right to the jig, and caught the next one. Now let's talk about some of the bottom fishing rigs that we use on our videos. You'll see here I have a swivel at the top, up here at the top, braid tied right to my swivel. A lot of people will put, your weight goes here. I put these little clips on here, makes it a little easier, but the weight can go right here. A lot of people will come down with a fishing line and a loop knot. Then I tie fluorocarbon, 50, 60 fluorocarbon. Let me get this unhooked. To the hook with maybe a 4 to 6 foot leader, and then either a 5 or a 7/aught circle hook. That's the using live bait or using dead bait for the bottom rig. You'll see on some of our videos, get this in the rod holder, where we were in Steenhatchee grouper fishing, and that was the rig we were using there. Also another outfit that I use, this was out fishing for cobia. This is an Alien jig. I get these at B&M Bait and Tackle here in Jacksonville. And this is 4 ounce in white, 4 ounce in chartreuse, works real well. 4 ounce in blue and white. Robert was using that in the video. Now I come in here from braid to the fluorocarbon. I tie a braid to fluorocarbon Romano knot here, and that's how we do the setup on that. The reel that I was using is the Spin Fisher 5500, which is a good reel. You can get those there on the descriptions in the on the videos. There's links to Amazon, places where you can pick those reels up. The last setup I use for bottom fishing, we call this a chicken rig, which is, you'll see fluorocarbon, the braid knot here, come down to 1 hook here. That hook's a 3 to 2/aught hook there with a little feather on it. Tie some feathers onto it. Same thing here. Same setup here. Another hook with a little bit of feathers on it. As you can see, this is about how far apart they are. And then we come down here to a loop knot, and then you put your bank sinker. I usually use a bank sinker, looks like this. this is 4 ounce. Loop it through the hook and then loop it around the bang sinker, and you can use that for bottom fishing, called a chicken rig. But thanks for watching. I hope this helps anybody that's been watching some of our videos. Me and Robert, you'll see that we do pretty good on this setup. So in most, like I said, the descriptions for most of these products are in the videos. You can click on the Amazon link and go right through the product. Thanks for watching.